Healthy foods you should eat every morning. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and protein-rich breakfast option. They provide essential amino acids and nutrients such as vitamin B12 and choline. Number 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, improving digestion and bowel movement as a result of providing the body with dietary fiber. Enhancing the feeling of fullness, which helps in eating fewer calories and thus losing excess weight. Reducing the risk of heart disease. Regulating blood sugar levels. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium, which helps keep you feeling full and supports bone health. Number 4. Fresh fruits. Fresh fruits are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, which have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Number 5. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for a healthy breakfast. Number 6. Green tea. Replace your morning coffee with a cup of green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and linked to various health benefits, including improved brain function and reduced risk of chronic disease.